This is a demonstration of the OptimEyes Binary Morphology Tool. To start off with, let's open the tool and open an image for it to operate on. This image, letters.bmp, is a binary image. Since the Binary Morphology Tool only operates on binary images, if you have a grayscale or color image, you'll need to convert it to binary first using, for example, the threshold tool. First, we need to select our input image, which we can do by selecting it from this list or by activating it in OptimEyes and then clicking the Input Image button. Next, we can either select an output image from this list or leave the output image field blank and have the tool create a new image to hold its output. That's what we'll do in this demonstration. Next, we'll specify the desired options for the operation we want to perform. For example, we could select a different size kernel or edit the kernel, and we can choose from a variety of operations. We'll select dilation. With that done, we'll click Run to perform the operation. Let me tile the images so that you can see both clearly. As you can see, the letters in the output image are thicker than the original due to the dilation. Now let's perform an erosion. You'll notice that letters is still selected as our input image, and we'll select our new image, output, as the output image. We'll click Run, and now the output image contains an eroded version of the letters. Let's do one more, a skeleton operation. We'll click Run, and now the output image contains just the skeleton of each letter.